All right, here we go. We've got another 1/24 scale kit that's 3D printed from SOL Resin Factory. This is Officer for World War II German KS750 with the Sidecar. Like I said before with the other figures that I've gotten for the 1/24 scale motorcycle, I believe these may be made specifically for the SOL models, SOL Resin Company's version of this motorcycle. I have the Tasca 1/24 scale motorcycle, and that's what I'm going to be using these guys for. See, he's got a grenade tucked into his boot there, just in case. There seems to be some alignment doohickeys here, so you get the arms in the right position. All right, well, I'm going to go get some hot water, and I'm going to submerge this into that prior to trying to take these supports off. So one thing I would suggest is before you even start doing that, just take a look and see if there's any really fine and delicate things that you need to be very careful of, like, you know, fingers, guns, knives, anything that might break or be mistaken for a support. Take this out of the pool, and I don't know, there's something fun about just ripping and tearing these, the crackling and all that. But perhaps I should just be a little bit more careful. This resin does not seem to be like some I've encountered that are, you know, very hard or brittle. This seems very soft. You know, it's got a solid feeling to it, very solid. It doesn't feel, you know, very lightweight. It's, yeah, I think we're almost there. Let's cut a few more from underneath. All right. So I think I've got this one already in 1/35 scale. And I think it fits pretty good with the... I don't think I should say any more until I double check on that. Maybe one day this is how they're going to be producing human beings. A la, what was that show, Westworld? So I don't know how good those indicators are. I'll probably just get rid of those. It's not really, crisp. It seems to be a bit wider than the opening. But I think I'll just sand that off and then put it in position. The head, the other arm. Now, does that guy have a cigarette? No. No cigarette. I'll go off and clean all this stuff up. I'll glue the guy together and I'll take some beauty shots. So the resin is very sandable. So now, while some guys will pin their heads, and I've done it in the past too, but I don't think something like this really requires it. Because for me, sometimes when I drill holes for the pin, if it's not perfect, you get a misalignment of where the neck fits into the body and it looks a little weird. So I just like to take my chances with the just straight up and down, gluing it in place. I'm just going to smooth that right out. I think from what I've heard, getting parts to fit 3D printing wise can be difficult, like locating things, locating pins and whatnot, because there's some variables that are out there. So I'm just going to take it right off and just visually eyeball it. I think I'm going to have to get some sandpaper though and get in there with the fingers. So how does that go there? Yeah, that looks good. This one's got a bit of a concave to it.